Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Notion for sales organization, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Notion for your sales organization, first, ensure you have a Notion account set up. Visit the Notion website or open the application on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your workspace where you want to manage sales information. Create a new page specifically for your sales organization. On the new page, begin structuring the framework you want to. Consider adding sections for leads, opportunities, and sales performance. Use Notion's database feature to create tables for each section. For the leads section, include columns for name, contact information, status, and notes. In the opportunities section, add columns for potential revenue, closing date, and probability of closing. For sales performance, create visual charts or graphs to track your team's progress. After setting up the structure, start entering your current leads and opportunities. To improve teamwork, invite your sales team to collaborate on the Notion page. Click on the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter the email addresses of your team members and set permissions as needed. Encourage your team to update the statuses in real time for accuracy. Integrate other tools your team uses, such as Slack or Google Calendar, to streamline communication. Utilize Notion's templates to enhance your sales processes further. Look through the template gallery to find a sales CRM or pipeline template. Customize the template to fit your organization's unique needs. Regularly review and update your Notion workspace to keep it relevant. Schedule weekly check-ins with your team to discuss progress and adjust strategies as necessary. Monitor key performance indicators using Notion's analytics features. Make use of tags to categorize leads based on priority or source. Create a knowledge base within Notion for storing useful sales documents and resources. Share best practices and successful sales techniques in a dedicated section. Encourage feedback from your team on the Notion setup for continuous improvement. As your sales organization grows, revisit the structure to ensure it still meets your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.